If the photos and videos which you have received on WhatsApp are not showing in the gallery app of your iPhone, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just open settings, and under settings just tap on apps. From this app list, just look for WhatsApp, then tap on it. After you find the settings of WhatsApp, then tap on photos. Now if it is on none or limited access, just select full access. Select allow full access. After that, just go to your home screen and open WhatsApp. Now from here, just tap on settings or your profile icon. Now on this screen, just scroll down and tap on chats. Now just enable the toggle for saved photos. And after you do that, then just go back. Now under these settings, just scroll down and look for the option of storage and data. Now from here, just go to the media auto download section. Now just tap on photos. And if it is on never, just select Wi-Fi or just select Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now just do the same for videos. Now after you've done that, and if you receive a photo on WhatsApp, you will find it in the Photos app. For an example, I will send a photo on WhatsApp. As you can see, this is a photo which I have sent. Now if I go to the home screen and if I go to Photos, as you can see, the photo has been automatically saved to the Photos app. And if you want to save the photos and videos which you have received before enabling these settings, just tap on the photo or video, then tap on the share button. And from here, just select save. And after you do that, you will find the specific photo or video in your Photos app. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.